12 UK towns locals call the best hidden places to live. Across the UK, there are little pockets of magic that rarely make headlines, yet quietly offer some of the most charming lifestyles you'll find anywhere. These are the places locals whisper about, the best hidden towns to live in the UK, the peaceful corners where life feels calmer, friendlier, and beautifully grounded. From Scottish market towns wrapped in rolling hills to English harbour escapes where the sea sets the pace, these underrated gems prove you don't need fame to deliver a truly remarkable home base. Here are 12 UK towns locals consider the real hidden treasures. 12 Banbridge, County Down. Banbridge is one of those places everyone in Northern Ireland knows, yet outsiders often overlook. Set among gentle hills with a classic town centre and a genuine community warmth, it's a spot where the pace stays refreshingly steady. People appreciate its tidy streets, accessible shops, and friendly atmosphere that still feels authentically small town. With its reputation for being peaceful yet well connected, Banbridge quietly ranks among the best hidden places to live in the UK for anyone who loves manageable daily life without isolation. It offers familiarity, stability, and comfort. 3 things locals value deeply. 11. Penarth, Vale of Glamorgan. Penarth may sit just outside Cardiff, but it feels worlds apart. This seaside town blends elegance with a calm coastal lifestyle that residents adore. Its Victorian pier, leafy streets, and clifftop promenade give it the kind of charm that feels straight from a postcard. Locals often call Penarth a quiet gem because it delivers all the perks of seaside living without the crowds found in more famous coastal towns. With beautiful homes, strong community ties, and a reputation for high quality of life, Penarth firmly earns its place among hidden UK towns worth discovering. 10. Crieff, Perthshire. Crieff has long been known as a gateway to the Highlands, yet it remains surprisingly under the radar. Surrounded by rolling hills and open countryside, it's a Scottish town with a peaceful spirit and a striking natural backdrop. The town centre feels traditional in the best way: independent shops, historic stone buildings, and a cosy layout that encourages slow wandering. Locals love Crieff for its sense of stability and the outdoors-first lifestyle that's deeply rooted in the area. It's no surprise many Scots quietly describe Crieff as one of the best hidden towns in Scotland to live. 9. Thirsk, North Yorkshire. Thirsk is one of those towns that instantly feels welcoming. Famous as the home of James Herriot, it still keeps its peaceful identity intact. The market square, the traditional pubs, and the friendly locals add to its timeless English charm. Surrounded by the North York moors and the Vale of York, Thirsk offers scenery that feels like a painting brought to life. It's the kind of town where everyday life feels uncomplicated and grounded. For many Yorkshire residents, Thirsk is one of the best hidden places to live in England, loved for its affordability and tranquility. 8. Brixham, Devon. If you love coastal living but prefer it with a down-to-earth feel, Brixham might steal your heart. This colourful harbour town is a working fishing community with a refreshing authenticity that many seaside places have lost. Locals enjoy strong neighbourhood ties and a relaxed pace built around the rhythms of the harbour. The tight winding lanes, sea views, and independent cafes create an atmosphere that feels both intimate and uplifting. Though part of Torbay, Brixham maintains its own identity and is often described as a hidden seaside town in the UK that offers charm without fuss. 7. Frodsham, Cheshire. Frodsham doesn't boast loudly, but locals will tell you it's one of Cheshire's most underrated towns. With views over the River Mersey, a charming high street, and easy access to countryside trails, it strikes a sweet balance between convenience and quiet living. Community spirit is strong here. People know one another, and events bring residents together throughout the year. Frodsham's mix of nature, history, and friendliness makes it one of the best hidden towns to live in the UK. especially for people who want a peaceful base within reach of larger urban areas. 6. Beccles, Suffolk. Beccles sits right on the River Waveney, giving it a peaceful waterside rhythm that draws people in. It's officially a market town, but it has the intimacy of somewhere much smaller. Pastel-coloured buildings, riverside walks, and a lively but not overwhelming high street make daily life feel genuinely pleasant. Locals love the fact that Beccles feels both quiet and alive. Lively markets, friendly interactions, and beautiful scenery blend into a gentle lifestyle that rarely feels rushed. It's no wonder many describe it as one of the top hidden towns in East Anglia. 5. Lydney, Gloucestershire. Right at the edge of the Forest of Dean sits Lydney, a town with a peaceful charm that locals have cherished for generations. Nature lovers adore the easy access to woodland paths, lakes, and outdoor adventures. The town itself is practical, friendly, and refreshingly unfussy. You can walk to local shops, enjoy green spaces, and still have access to major transport routes. Lydney's beauty lies in its simplicity. Life here feels manageable, grounded, and blessed with greenery. It's one of the best hidden towns to live in the UK for anyone craving a quiet, forest-side existence. 4. Kirkcudbright, Dumfries, and Galloway. Kirkcudbright is affectionately known as Scotland's artists' town, but it's also a calm, friendly place that many Scots quietly consider one of the nation's most underrated places to live. Its pastel-coloured houses, harbour views, and historic architecture create an atmosphere that feels creative yet peaceful. Community life thrives here, with events, galleries, and local gatherings that give the town a warm identity. Kirkcudbright blends coastal beauty, culture, and small-town friendliness in a way that feels genuinely special. Among hidden Scottish towns, this is one that consistently earns glowing praise from residents. 3. Ledbury, Herefordshire. Ledbury is one of England's most beautiful market towns, yet it never feels overwhelmed by tourism or noise. Its timber-framed buildings and cobbled lanes give it a timeless charm, while its independent shops and cafes add warmth and character. Locals appreciate Ledbury's creative spirit, its gentle pace, and the sense that life here moves with intention rather than rush. Set between the Malvern Hills and Herefordshire's countryside, it offers natural beauty at every turn. Ledbury is widely viewed as one of the best hidden towns in the UK for those who love heritage and calm living. 2. Midhurst, West Sussex. Midhurst sits in the heart of the South Downs, surrounded by rolling hills and green landscapes that feel almost cinematic. Though it's a market town, it still has a tucked-away feeling that residents treasure. The high street is lined with independent shops, historic inns, and beautifully preserved architecture that make the town feel refined, yet relaxed. People here often describe Midhurst as quietly perfect. Not too big, not too small, simply balanced. Its blend of countryside beauty and gentle town life solidifies it as one of the best hidden places to live in England. 1. Ulverston, Cumbria. Taking the top spot is Ulverston, a town locals adore for its character, creativity, and uplifting spirit. Set on the Furness Peninsula with views toward the Lake District fells, Ulverston feels like a storybook place that hasn't lost its authenticity. Its cobbled streets, colourful festivals, friendly pubs, and strong community connections make daily life feel warm and welcoming. People describe Ulverston as quirky in the best way, a place where tradition and individuality blend effortlessly. With natural beauty, affordability, and a genuine sense of belonging, it stands out as the best hidden town to live in the UK. These 12 hidden UK towns prove that the country's most rewarding places to live aren't always the ones making headlines. Each offers its own mix of charm, scenery, and community spirit, quiet corners where life simply feels better. If you're searching for underrated gems, these towns deliver something truly special. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.